Jai Mata Di guys. When I was a junior engineer, I came on board ship. I knew one thing that my second year told me कि पहला एक महीना first 1 month trace all the lines. Trace lines for the sea water system, trace line for the sewage system, trace line for the cooling water system, trace lines, trace lines, trace lines. And there were so many whys in my mind कि मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ? Why am I tracing those lines? If you have a very good control on line diagrams, guys, you will become one of the finest engineers. And most importantly, जब मैं line trace करने जाता था, what I should do was एक लाइन के पीछे भागूंगा। अच्छा ये लाइन कहाँ जा रही है, ये लाइन कहाँ जा रही है। I'll just give an example. Come out.
Hey guys, if I look like this, like where it is going, can I do it?
So what I used to do was basically I used to run behind the lines. एक ही लाइन के पीछे भागूंगा. Small line I'm running, and then I again lose it. Then I used to run again where it is going. And guys, that was the biggest mistake that I made. The right way to understand the line diagram is to understand the system. So when you go on the ship, you have to make your line diagrams your best friend. So line diagrams, how they might be, something like this. There can be a lot of line diagrams kept like this on board ship. Okay, I'll show you an example. Say this is one of them. So I take it out. This is a line diagram system for stern tube lube oil system. So if I understand this line diagram well, guys, trust me, I understand the whole system well. And then after understanding the system, I have to go and trace such as stern tube lube oil pump. Where is this? Okay, I'll just give an example. Come over here. Come. Okay, a stern tube lube oil system. Just give an example. So सबसे पहली चीज, guys, I need to understand what a stern tube lube oil system is. How does it work? So I have to go through my books first. कि stern tube lube oil system, why is it given? What is the purpose? अच्छा कैसे काम करता होगा? कि कैसे oil circulate करता होगा? These questions I need to have a very good answer. Then when I come on board, my theory needs to be good, guys. This is one of the most important things that I have to tell you. I was told by some many seniors of mine, अरे जहाज पे जाओगे सब सीख जाओगे. When you go on ship, you learn everything, practical thing. Nobody told me that the role of reading manuals, the role of reading books, how if your theory is good, it matters a lot. Guys, why I'll tell you. कि suppose when you go on ship, you start working with hand, you are a fitter, you can fit things. But if you have a knowledge of theory along with you, that is you know how it works, then when a problem comes, you can troubleshoot a problem. And that is where a good engineer skills lies. See, purifier open karna, close karna is easy. Even a fitter can do that. Generator, problem, open up, decarb karne ka hai. Okay, fine, open the piston, put it back, do all these things. Even a fitter and sometimes oilers can do that. But what if some problem happens with the purifier? The purifier is not desludging. The purifier is not building up pressure. The purifier is not closing. That is where the fitter will not have an idea because his theory is weak. He's got a lot of practical experience over the years. And that is where your theory comes into play. वो जो books आपने रखी हुई हैं, Pounder, Sanya, this is where the importance of those books lies. Guys, I am embarrassed to say that, but I had never read those books till I became a second engineer. Why? Because nobody told me this way कि किताबें पढ़ने से भी फायदा मिलता है ship पे. And I am telling you honestly, reading books is very, very important. Learning from them is very important. And then most important is applying that knowledge. Now, so guys, suppose you have read the theory, you know how it works, the system, then you come on board ship and you get this stern tube lube oil system. Okay, you know the stern tube lube oil system is stern tube, where is it fitted? It is fitted in the aft. So this is my propeller shaft. Okay, this is my propeller shaft. This is where the propeller lies. This is the boss. अच्छा यहाँ पर वो आपका chrome liner is fitted. Over here another chrome liner is fitted. Okay, this is the forward seal tank. Fine. This is a stern tube oil circulation taking place. Okay, circulation भी होता है. Yes, I remember that. Okay, fine. So there must be some stern tube lube oil pump. Okay, where is the stern tube lube oil pump? Where is the stern tube lube oil pump? Okay, over here. These are the stern tube lube oil pumps fitted over here. See, this is a gear pump fitted. You can make this out. These are gears. This is a pressure gauge. This is a differential pressure switch fitted. कि अगर difference in pressure occurs, it will give an alarm. Okay, this is a filter. Okay, this is a valve fitted over here. This is a globe valve fitted over here. Okay, they have given the direction. See, कि ये oil यहाँ से आ रहा है. From here the oil is going over there. See the direction over here. From here the oil is coming back over here. What is this drain collection unit? Okay, what is this LAS? This is a level switch, LS. What is this level? High alarm coming. Okay, if the water level, if the oil or water level increases over here, then alarm will come. Why is this flow controller given over here? What is the purpose of this valve over here? Is it a non-return valve or what? What is this? Is it an orifice fitted over here or not? And what is the purpose? Guys, there is so much in a line diagram that अगर आप एक line diagram अच्छे समझ जाओ कि इस line के अंदर यहाँ पर ये thermometer क्यों दिया है? Why is the thermometer required over here? अच्छा ये why is this pressure gauge fitted over here? What will happen if this pressure reduces? What will happen if this pressure increases? Okay. अच्छा यार ये non-return valve, why is this non-return valve fitted over here? See, this is the non-return valve. So why is this non-return valve fitted over here? Why not a normal valve fitted over here? Why this non-return valve? So these are the questions that need to come to your mind. If there is a tank over here, you see, so there is a LAL is a low level alarm, there is a high level alarm. That means it is a very important tank. It has got both the alarms over here, low level B, high level B. Now this means the oil level can reduce also and the oil level will increase also. Now why can the oil level reduce? Why will the oil level increase? Now guys, these are the whys. Guys, these whys are very important in all the questions that you do. Suppose you go through this line diagram and you do not have 10 whys in your mind. That means you have understood shit, guys. Simple. You need to have a lot of questions coming in your mind. Lot of questions. Now guys, when you see a line diagram, there can be a pressure gauge, there can be a temperature gauge, there can be a pressure transmitter, there can be a temperature transmitter, there is a pump fitted with a different kind of a valve, non-return valve, all those things. You need to know why. Why this valve is fitted, why not that valve is fitted, why a centrifugal pump is fitted, why not a gear pump fitted, why a thermometer is fitted over here, why a low level alarm is over here, why a high level alarm is over here. And these line diagrams are going to be the part of your life. अगर आप first 6 months के अंदर if you understand these line diagrams well, guys, you will be the boss on ship.